This is my, well, newly acquired media center PC that I originally made a year ago for a cousin of mine. What I'm going to be doing is upgrading the G4400 CPU, which is a Pentium. It's a Pentium. What the hell? It's a G4400 Pentium chip, 3.3 gigahertz. I don't know how much cache it's got, all that. It's a basic CPU that handles YouTube and stuff like that beautifully. But I highly doubt that it's gonna do 4K video, which is what I wanted to do. So I got in my hands, let me get it out of the bag, one of these suckers. So I'm going to stick that in there. I'm going to use the stock cooler for now. I'm going to get a better cooler eventually and see what it does. Alright, next video we're going to be with this chip in there.